Hello, you're welcome, and in this tutorial I'll be explaining how you can make use of content and billing features in your Sonic account. Now this is very simple and straightforward. What you have to do when you get to your dashboard here is to come to the sidebar. You see content here, you click on it and you're going to have other features loaded on it. You have the albums, you have songs and podcasts. What this means is that you can create your own albums as well and load the albums with different songs of your choice. And you can also create your own podcast manually. Now let's do this. Click on albums, and right here you'll be able to create your album by clicking on new. You click on new right here, and right here you have to enter the title of your album, then the release date right here, and of course you have to link your album to a particular website that you might have created. When you click on this, you will see different websites that you've created. All right, let me link it to this, and right here you can choose it to be exclusive and explicit at the same time. But if you don't want it, you can turn it off. All right, and if you don't want this as well, you can turn it off. Now you have to make sure that you upload your album image by clicking on choose image here. Select your image and click on open. All right, and you can adjust your image right here, and you click on pick, and once that is done, you navigate here and click on save. And of course, right here, you can attach songs to your album. All right, that is the songs you already have on your website. So click on attach, and you see, let's see, all right, and you click on it. You click on add. You see song attached to album. All right, that song has been attached to my album. Now let us go back. Now for you to add songs, you have to come here, click on songs, and then you come right here, you click on new, and this will come up for you. Of course, this is an audio file and you want to leave the source format as audio file. Now we also have attach audio file. Now you click on the box, it pops up this way, and you pick the song and click on open. Then it will be uploaded this way, and you have to input the title, then the genre of the song, let's say chill and K-pop, even days, you may decide to delete it. All right, so that's it. Then you attach it to a particular website. Now let me say this. All right, then the artist, your name will pop up automatically, and right here you can make the song exclusive or explicit. Remove the exclusive, explicit. Now you have to add image to your song. You click on choose image, select your image and click on open. Right, it comes up this way and you adjust it. Right, you adjust it and click on pick. You see it loads up, then it will come right here. And once you are done, you click on save. As you can see, it's loading. It's 99% complete. Let's wait a little bit more. And the song has been created. All right. So that's it. And then again, you can add podcasts. All right. You navigate to the side here and click on podcast. You'll be taken to this interface and you have to click on new right here. And then you have to fill out this, name it. Then the genre, pick the genre, let's say health, right? And then websites, attach it to this. Then description of the podcast, and then you choose image, click on open. Right, then you adjust the image, click on pick, and you're gonna see this. Then it will be uploaded. Then you come right here and click on save, and you see podcast created. All right, so now you have to add episodes to your podcast. Click on open. All right, then you give it title. You title your episode, then the duration. All right, you can set the duration right here, but it is set to auto duration, and the duration will be imputed right here automatically. and you enter the description right here, and then you click on save right here, and you see your episode is actually uploading right here. You see episode created. You see the episode has been uploaded, as you can see right here. Click on save, and you see podcast updated. That is, the episode has been added to the podcast, as you can see. And if you want to listen to any of your episodes, right, you just click on this. So you have to come right here, right, click on the link here, and it will open in another tab. So click on it, and here you go. All right, this is it. It has opened up right here, and you see this is how it works. Right, it's showing right here. This is the podcast we created. So that's it. So that's it. Now let's go back again. Right, so if you want to add any other podcast, you just click on new here, and you follow the same procedure that we followed in creating the initial podcast, and that's it. All right, so you can add as many podcasts as you want. That's it. So now, in order for you to set up your billing, you have to come to the sidebar here and click on billing, and you'll be taken to this interface, the billing interface right here. Make sure that your billing is enabled, and if you are using Stripe, you have to toggle on this to enable it. All right, and if you close it, it will go, everything will go right. And if you're not using PayPal, you click on it, everything will goes again. You also have Paystack, right? Toggle on it and it will go. All right, so now if you're using Stripe, you have to toggle, all right, and you see these are my publishable keys right here. And for you to get your Stripe key, right, so the first thing is for you to sign into your Stripe account, and then in your dashboard you're going to see developers, right? And once you click on developers in your dashboard, then you have to click on API keys, right? And right there you'll be able to have access to your publishable and secret keys, right, which you're going to attach to your Sonic account under billing right here. Right, you have to paste your Stripe client ID right here. All right, then you have to, which is your publishable key, right, your publishable key right here, and then your secret key right here. You paste it here. It's very simple and direct. And also for your PayPal, you go to developer.paypal.com, right? You want to make sure you're using the correct URL. You're going to developer.paypal.com, right? Now you have to log into your PayPal account, and once you log in, you toggle to live. All right, you change from sandbox to live, and from there you will see business tools at the top right. At the top of your dashboard, you're going to see business tools, and once you click on business tools, you're going to see API keys. All right, so from there you click on it and you get your API keys, which you're going to use for your Sonic billing information. All right, and once you get your PayPal client ID, you paste it right here, then you return again, you copy your PayPal client secret and you paste it right here. It's very straightforward, simple and straightforward. That's it. And if you're using Paystack, you go to your Paystack account and you get your Paystack public key, your Paystack secret key, and you paste them right here. The same thing if you're using Razorpay, you're gonna do the same thing. And if you don't want to use any of these payment method, you just deactivate it right here. If you don't want to use Stripe, you deactivate it, and if you're using only PayPal, you leave it this way. But if you're using just Stripe, you activate Stripe and you leave the rest deactivated, and that's it. All right, so easily when your customers actually make payments into your account, you're gonna receive it directly on your Stripe account. And that is it. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video.